Yes, is this the house cleaner?
Can I help you?
Yes, is this the house cleaner?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah, I seen the ad on Craigslist and I just had a question for you guys.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, I was just wondering, are you guys interested in generating some house cleaning leads for your business?
Um, what do you mean by that?
Well, I specialize in social media. I work with a few other house cleaners, and I'm able to get them anywhere from 3 to 4 calls a day. And I wanted to send you guys some information to see if we could possibly do some business together.
Um, yeah. How would that work?
Well, like I said, once again, I'm very good at what I do as far as making sure you guys' phone is ringing every day with people looking for house cleaning. I've been doing it over 7 years, me and my team. And so what we would do is just, put you on so that people would see the nice ad that you have already. We would put it in front of so many people, depending on what you guys can handle. And they would just call and get estimates like you're doing now. And you guys would go out and do bids and make money. So, just a couple of questions. Are you guys only using Craigslist or do you do other stuff?
Only Craigslist.
Okay, how many jobs can you guys do a week? That's the defining question. What can you guys handle a week?
A week. Let me ask. Hold on.
Okay.
Oh, sir.
Yes.
My friend is saying that she's willing to clean 3 to 4 houses a day for the whole week.
Oh, wow. Monday through Saturday?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay. So she can work. Now, is it a group of ladies or is it one person or two people? How many people is it?
Hold on.
Okay.
¿Cuántas personas serían las que limpian? Tú y otra amiga, tal vez. Dos.
Tres, más que todo, tres. Tres tengo disponibles.
Okay. Three persons.
Oh, wow. Okay. So this is perfect then. We can really do some excellent business. So what I'm going to do, okay, because I know you guys are busy and I appreciate your time. I'm going to send you over just a little information by text and email. And then what we will do is we'll go over like how, the pricing structure works, what areas you guys want, all that good stuff. And, we'll talk about that. I'll send you a little information about myself and my team. You can look at that. And then can we get back together maybe, let's say, Monday morning or Monday evening? And then we can kind of go over all the details and all that good stuff. And if it makes sense, we'll get everything set up and have you guys, tearing it up the last couple of weeks of the year and going into the new year.
Okay. Yeah. Hold on.
Okay.
Let me tell her.
Okay. You guys got to pick that phone up. That's funny. I think he's translating for the lady. But that's fine. If they can do 3 to 4 jobs, I'm happy with that.
Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Can you call? Do you speak Spanish?
No, I don't. But
Okay.
I can get one of my colleagues that possibly can, and we can kind of take it from there. Are you going to be around, or what's the situation?
My friend here, she only speaks Spanish.
Okay, that's fine.
So she's the one that has experience doing the cleaning. Her and her friend.
Okay, who's going to answer the phone? That's the thing. Like right now. So what if I was a potential customer? How would she handle that?
Yeah.
Not only speak English. How would she handle that then?
Then I would communicate for her like I'm doing now.
Oh, okay. That's perfect.
Yeah.
Okay. That's perfect.
Yeah.
Or what we can do also, we have it set up where we can actually have someone to answer the calls and they just go out and do the jobs. So that could be something that she might want to look into if she partners with us, is that we can have somebody to set up the calls, and then she and the team, they go out and just do the cleaning. Okay. So it's like the perfect storm. So can I send over the details? And then when would you be able to, let's just say we can dialogue for about 10 minutes on Monday? And
Monday, what time would be good in the morning for you?
How about between 7:30 and 8:30 works for me.
Okay, I think 8:30.
Okay.
8 or 8:30.
Okay, let's do 8:30. And then what's your name?
My name is Jorge.
Okay, Jorge. Okay, Jorge, my name is Maurice. And then I'm gonna text over the details so you could kind of take a look. That way you could talk to her. We have a client testimonial that you'll be able to watch. That way you know I'm the real deal and I'm not wasting y'all time, and that we can potentially make a lot of money together, especially if they're good at cleaning. Because me and my team is very good at marketing, so we can have the perfect storm. And it looks like she covers a lot of radius, so we could really make some very significant money. And then the repeats too. She'll be able to do the repeat clients and all of that. So I'm excited if you're telling me they can do 3 to 4 jobs a day. So I'll text. And now, is this a number that I can text, that I'm dialing the number on, the 323 number? Is that a text number I can text?
Yeah, that's her number. But,
okay, perfect.
Will you be able to send the Spanish information or just English?
Just English.
Okay, you can text that to my cell if you can.
Okay, what is that? What is your cell? Okay, Jorge. And then Jorge, do you have a email address I can also send you some information to as well?
Yeah, at mail.com.
Okay, mail.com. Perfect. And so I'll text this to you. And then I have it set to follow up with you guys on Monday for about 10 minutes. We'll discuss all the other details, the pricing, and then areas and the things that they want and type of clients they want. And if it makes sense, we'll put something together and we'll get the phones ringing and make some decent money. How long have you guys been in business, or she's been in business?
Well, ¿Como cuánto tiempo tú tienes haciendo ese tipo de trabajo?
Ya, unos
8 años. She said that she has 8 years of experience.
Oh, perfect. Okay. Yeah, this is great. Okay, cool. All right, well, Jorge, I appreciate your time. I'll go ahead and send you over all the good details. You guys can take a look at it. And then I'll just follow up Monday at 8:30 p.m. If anything comes up, text me and I'll do the same thing. But if not, we will meet for about 10-15 minutes on Monday at 8:30 p.m. Sounds good?
Yeah.
Oh, no, it's her own business. So whatever, she's doing now, she's just the same thing. Yeah. As long as they're willing to go out and work, I'm fine. And then, like I said, we'll discuss how everything works when we talk on Monday. But the good thing about what I'm doing is that she would have consistent work and she can build her business. Because without good marketing, businesses fail. And most people don't know that. But if you get good marketing, meaning you got 5 or 6 people calling every day for house cleaning, she's going to make money to be able to provide for her and her family and build a lucrative business. Because I've done it with all type of other house cleaning agencies. So you guys are going to like working with me. I will take very good care of you guys. Okay.
All right.
Jorge, any other questions? If not, we will convene on Monday at 8:30.
That's it. Let me ask her.
This is pretty interesting. We'll see what happens on Monday. But this just goes to show you guys.
That's it for right now, sir.
Okay, perfect. And what's her name, Jorge?
Her name is Yesenia.
Yesenia. Okay, perfect. All right.
Yeah.
I'll call you guys on Monday. Have a safe weekend. And it's been a pleasure talking to you, Jorge. Thank you, man.
Thank you. Have a nice weekend, too.
Okay, you too. Bye for now.
Bye.
So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the reality of making cold calls. You just never know. And this is just simple stuff that I do. I'm just picking up the phone for you guys, essentially. I have boatloads of clients and things of that nature. But this just goes to show you, when you take action, when you grab the phone, okay, and we're going to talk about what happened on the call, but when you grab this phone, ladies and gentlemen, and you set aside an hour a day, I challenge you guys for the upcoming new year to set aside an hour a day. Okay, then you can get to 1 to 2. I always say 1 to 2, but I just want to challenge people for an hour. And I guarantee you, your financial situation is going to change in 60 to 90 days, okay? You don't have to worry about saying those disgusting words, I'm broke. I can't afford it. You know, I don't got the money. You don't have to say, I don't say those words, ladies. Ladies and gentlemen, what I want, I get. Why? Because I've worked for it. I'm willing to work for it. If I see something that I want, and you know, I'm looking at my finances, I'm like, I don't want to go into my finances. I'm just going to create the income that I want to get what I want. So let's think about this for a minute, or not think about it, but let's go back and just kind of see what happened with Jorge and this other young lady, okay, this house cleaner, okay, in essence, okay, she doesn't speak Spanish. She doesn't speak English. She speaks Spanish only. That's fine. We can work with her. He picks up the phone. If she, I guess, can't communicate, or if the person can't communicate in her language, and that's fine. My thing is, I'm looking for people that are hardworking, that can do a lot of jobs. If she can do 3 to 4 jobs a day, I can work with her, because that means that, you know, me, in essence, I know this is going to be easily anywhere from $2,500 to $3,500 a month client. Okay, and let me just think about this, folks. All from picking up the phone. Okay, I set the follow-up, and that's another thing too. Okay, I'm booking appointments. I'm not giving the details out on the first call. I'm gonna email them over and text them over details that they can watch. Okay, you guys want the presentation that I'm gonna send over, click the link in the description, sign up for the ICP. It gives you an opportunity to get the pre-done presentation. Okay, I'm not trying to close the sale on the first go. I want to get them over. I want to try to build a relationship with them. That's part of the relationship building process, ladies and gentlemen, when I follow up, okay, and when I send them details, okay, and you guys can put one of these presentations together. You don't necessarily have to get the pre-done that I set up. It's easy. It's already done. It works. It converts. You guys just got to send it out. If you want it, click the link in the description. You can get it, or you can create your own. It's up to you. So anyway, this $25 to $3,500 a month client came by what? Picking up the phone, even if they don't sign up, okay? And if I was making more phone calls, out of 5, let's say I had her and 5 other people, I guarantee you 1 or 2 of them gonna sign. Let me say that again. I guarantee you 1 or 2, even if they don't sign, okay? Because in sales, we deal with ratios and numbers. Okay, so that means ratio means that if you talk to enough people, somebody's gonna say yes. Okay, let me say that again. Okay, for all the negative people out there and the people that don't understand why I make so much money in social media marketing, is because I understand ratios. I know that if I set enough appointments, at the end of the day, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna have clients. Hey, clients. You want clients, ladies and gentlemen? Pick this phone up and go to work. Okay. So another thing, all right, that I look for. All right. Now, typically, I do look for a little bit more, but as long as that these individuals are willing to work, all right, and they're not afraid to invest in their company, I'll work with them. Okay, but on average, it's gonna be anywhere from $2,500 to $3,500 to work with me. Some of the stuff that I said, this is for my new people. Okay, notice that I said me and my team. We've been doing this a long time. Use that, because a lot of you guys will listen to my cold calls and you'll say, "Well, Maurice, I can't say that." Yes, you can. That's why I teach outsourcing. Okay. The reason why I don't sit here and show you guys how to set up Facebook and Google ads, and you guys can plug into YouTube University. YouTube University has all the tutorials your heart desires on Facebook and Google ads. So if you guys want to know how to do that, plug into YouTube University, okay? And all YouTube University is YouTube. Because I know you guys like, dang, what's YouTube University? It's free, okay? But the reason why I teach outsourcing, so you can use leveraged words like me. So if you're brand new, just use leveraged words. Your outsourcers will be able to give you case studies and all of that, okay? Now, another good thing, okay, I did a video on the best niches. This happens to be one of those niches. Let me say that again. This happens to be one of those niches. The reason why I like this niche too, it's easy to generate leads in these niches, okay? So I'll be able to generate her a boatload of leads. So that means it's a boatload of money, okay? And you guys can tap into the same thing. That's why I'm putting this video out to help you guys, okay? This shows you what you need to do. There was nothing complicated that I did by calling somebody up and say, and you guys notice that I smile, are you interested in generating leads for your business? She handed the phone over to somebody else. He communicated in English. Obviously, she said, yes, it sounds good to her, okay? And so here I am with an appointment on Monday with Jorge, who's going to translate for me to see if this is a potential prospect or a suspect. And I think it may be a prospect, to be honest. You know, do they have the money? They may do if she can do 3 to 4. You know, I'm going to charge a setup fee and all that other good stuff. You know, and I talk about what I charge and my pricing structure and all that in the ICP course, okay? How I'm going to charge them. Click the link in the description and you guys can copy everything that I'm literally going to do, the whole process, okay? So ladies and gentlemen, that's it in a nutshell. This is how you make $10,000 a month using the phone. This is how you get your first client using the phone. This is how you overcome fears and phobia by taking action, picking up the phone. This is how you eliminate anxieties. Okay, this is how you get rid of brokenness. If you are watching this video and you are broke, okay, I have the solution for your brokenness. Take 30 to 60 days, grab my course, set aside 1 or 2 hours a day, and grab the phone and go to work for an hour, 1 to 2 hours a day. And I guarantee you at the end of a 30 to 60 days, brokenness will run away from you. Okay, brokenness is going to run away from you and you're going to have money in your pocket, ladies and gentlemen. This is what you're going to have in your pocket if you do what I'm telling you to do, which is pick up the phone and go to work. All right, no excuses. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, that's pretty much it. When I do the follow-up and all that exciting stuff, we're going to talk about how much I charge, you know, areas, get them excited, find out what their hot buttons are. You know, I'm going to learn more about the business. I don't initially do all that on the first call because I want people in a relaxed state and I want to send them a little information first. Now, if they don't watch the information, I'm still going to go for the follow-up and close. A lot of people ask me that, you know, or I may give them a second chance, okay? So anyway, ladies and gentlemen, that's it. I got to send these individuals this information by text and email. So I'm going to do that. So if you guys like this video, comment below. Let me know what you guys thought. Make sure you hit the thumbs up. Helps with the algorithm. And if you guys are serious, okay, you want to see literally how I, from scratch, no brand, no clients, none of that. You want to see how I built a $15,000 a month agency, signed up 3 clients in less than 7 days. Grab the ICP course while the price is dirt cheap. Okay, grab it right now so you can get all the scripts and you can see my follow-up. You can see how I charge the client's credit card. You can see the onboarding, how I outsource, just everything. Click the link in the description, grab the ICP course because on the upcoming year, I'm going to raise the price super high because people are just making so much money with the course, okay? And I just did that to help people. So if you want it, grab it right now while the price is, like I said, at its lowest price ever. If you want one-on-one coaching, also click the link in the description where I'll literally work with you and help you build a $10,000 a month agency, okay? So guys, I want to say thank you. I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you guys regurgitate, go back, watch the video, and take action. See you guys on the next one. Bye for now.